answer to the owners. That's who pays the commission.
I agree.
Everybody forgets that the second they don't like something that happens with the league. And I just think that that's ill-informed, it's unintelligent, and we need to be wiser than it. This falls directly on the shoulders of the owners whose arrogance allowed them to assume that no matter what, we could sit there and potentially break the unity that you have stated on several occasions, that we would sit there and we would break them because, damn it, we are the NFL. We're the owners. We're the ones that cut the checks. We make this league go, and this is what's going to happen. As long as our bottom lines are satisfied, we don't have anything to worry about. The public they're not going anywhere. And that was their mentality. And even Monday night, when that colossal mistake, that disgrace of a mistake was made on Monday Night Football, for it to have taken that moment for them to give us a shabby second-rate product in terms of the officiating, to put the players at risk with incompetence, deficiencies, and the like, for them to be willing to do that just to save money. We're talking about 120 million. That's what we're talking about here. We might be talking about a few $1 million, if that, as it pertains to their pension funds, additional referees, an additional 21 that would have to go through training, etc. You made $9 million. Your deal goes, you're projecting that you'll make anywhere from 12 to 18 billion annually. By the time you were willing to take this. As far as I'm concerned, you know what? We'll get past it because the games are what ultimately matters. Please don't get me wrong. I'm not going to go to sleep at night thinking about the owners and how reprehensible they were in their behavior. I'm not going to do that. But what I'm saying is, as it pertains to anything moving forward, when they talk to us about integrity, when they talk to us about protecting the game, when they talk to us about the shield, when they talk to us when they're disciplining players and things like that, and they're so willing to be so quick to come down hard on these guys, I want everybody to remember this because I will not forget. I don't ever want to hear.
Can you hear me now?
I don't want to hear them spewing hypocritical words out of their mouth. I'm not dealing with it.
I got a baby that job.
They expose themselves for who
Yeah, I forgot about it. It's dawned on me.
And by the way, the public bunch of suckers. That's what they were saying to us. That you were going to come and support our
And I thought I had done
We
it.
were in fact enabling them to take this game. We love this game so much that they were betting that there's nothing that could drive us away.
Right. Check this out. We love this game so much because we love those players. And we love those coaches. You see what I'm saying? And those dudes were out on the field. So we were really supporting them. I guarantee you, if it was just about supporting the owners, we would have found a way to do it. Not obviously impossible to do because the owners are not the ones out on the field playing. It's the players that are playing.
Where I disagree with your final point, I don't think this was
Yeah, this winter time, bad weather.
this wasn't about nickel and diming the referees. This wasn't about
Oh,
three tyrant
man,
owners.
outside.
This was about
Yeah.
old school owners who've been taught to believe by their forefathers that referees aren't that critical to the game of pro football. That 6 of one, half dozen the other. They
We
actually
like
thought
that
that
elevator
junior
jack.
college referee that he could make that call on Monday night the right way.
Yeah.
And clearly he went the wrong way. So they devalued the worth of the referee to their game. And I think it opened a lot of eyes in ownership of, wait a second, we can't stoop to junior college referees. Our guys are pretty good. Even though I laughed last night, we'll never get that and criticize the real referees, I'm sure we will. But clearly, that they have to be considerably better than what we just saw for 3 weeks. Considerably better in managing games and making crucial calls.
Well, what I would say to you, the only reason I disagree with that is because I know what's what I mean by that is that obviously the best isn't always we know that for a fact. There are some people who are better than others that don't receive the shine that people that are less talented.
Yeah.
You know, I get
Oh,
that part.
good
But
job.
still in all, let's harken back to our days as newspaper reporters. You've been a journalist for over 30 years. I've been a journalist for 20
Yeah.
years. You know,